Okay, first group on the left. I did 8 clicks to the right, and that's my second group from 25 yards. Hey folks, welcome to the channel. This morning I was wanting to double check my zero on my home defense gun, which is a 300 blackout. I shoot the Hornady subsonic ammo through it, and so I went out and shot it, as you saw there. And basically, this is my home defense gun. Done a video on it before, but I have 2 suppressors. This is the 300 blackout suppressor, and this is just the Mini 762 suppressor, SureFires. And so I wanted to run it out. I just wanted to zero it, and I think I noticed the difference in the sound. Let me know what you think. Which one was the 300 blackout suppressor, and which one was the 762 Mini? Comment below, like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Thank you.